Hello dear learners, welcome to Amuse. This is English at Amuse and I am Amrita Shan, and today again I am here to discuss one another cue card with you. That is for your IELTS speaking test, in which you are asked to speak for about 1 to 2 minutes. So let's get started for today and see which card we are going to discuss together. Describe a difficult challenge that you completed. Describe a difficult challenge that you completed, and the cues are: what was the challenge, when and where did you complete it, why was it difficult, and how you felt about it. So वो कौन सा चैलेंज था, कहाँ पे आपने कंप्लीट किया, आपके लिए वो डिफिकल्ट क्यों था, और चैलेंज कंप्लीट करने के बाद आपको कैसा फील हुआ. So as you know that first of all we should see that हम कौन कौन से चैलेंज के ऊपर बात कर सकते हैं. I believe that you can talk about your eating habits. Either you were not very good at eating, as you would be skipping meals and not taking good care of your health, and then you realized that good nutritious diet and eating in time is very important, and you put the challenge on yourself, you improved your weight. Or it can be vice versa, that you were in the habit of taking junk meal, fast food, roadside meal, and then you realize that no, this is not a good habit, and you put yourself in a condition that you would not eat it for some particular time period, and you met that challenge successfully. Other idea is that you tried to win your fear. You had a fear of public speaking, or you had a fear of going deep in water, or you were afraid of heights. It can be competition in studies, where you defeated one of the meritorious friend of yours, and you also came up with flying colors. Or it could be some adventurous activity which you thought that was difficult for you, but when you tried, you not only enjoyed, but you completed the challenge that was given to you by someone else. So these are a few ideas on which you can work on, but I'm going to talk about something different. So let's see that what we are going to talk about. First, we should say something on challenges. So I have idea for you. It is believed that if something that you are doing doesn't challenge you, it will not change you. I always remain interested to improve myself by making new experiments on me, and thus put myself in condition that takes me away from my comfort zone. So here you have told that challenges are important because challenges change our life. And second thing you have told is that you always try to improve yourself, and you believe when you are away from your comfort zone, means when you are putting yourself in some challenge, then definitely that is going to bring good change in you. Our first cue is: what was the challenge? So you will say that well, setting a saving goal was an edgy challenge that I imposed on myself. You are saying कि सेविंग जो करना था आपके लिए, सेविंग गोल अपने लिए सेट करना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था. That you imposed on yourself, that I imposed on myself, जो मैंने अपने ऊपर means forcefully that I implemented on myself. Since I am not very economical in my habits and hardly care if my pocket is full. Last year, when I was on a trip with my friends, I used up all the money spending on me and my friends because of my over generous nature, and even sold out my mobile to meet the expense. I knew my father would get me a new one. At that time, I wanted to get iPhone 7. But one of my friends commented that rich chaps hardly know what is the value of a rupee. Made me think about it. I put a challenge on myself that I would buy the phone myself and with my pocket saving and would not demand it from my parents. So first in this cue, you are telling about your spendthrift nature. You are telling that you never cared for the money, and even on the trip, you didn't mind even selling your mobile because you were sure that your parents would buy you the best one. But when you heard the comments of your friends who told that you never care for money, you took it bad and you took it as a challenge that you would not depend for phone on your parents, you would try to buy it by yourself. So this was the challenge for you. You will buy a phone and with your own saving. When and where did you complete it? और अब है कि आपने उसे कैसे कंप्लीट किया? It was festive days and my family and siblings were doing good purchasing, but I restricted myself from pointless expenditure. आप बता रहे हैं कि फेस्टिव डेज चल रहे थे, घर में सब लोग जो है अच्छा परचेजिंग कर रहे थे, पर अपने आप को पॉइंटलेस एक्सपेंडिचर्स करने से रिस्ट्रिक्ट किया, अपने आप को रोका. I cut off my weekly eating out habits with my friends. Unnecessary phone calls also got curtailed. Explored my wardrobe for the dresses not used instead of buying festive wears. So here you are telling another three things that you took care of. You stopped eating out with your friends. You even restricted making calls to other people unnecessarily. And even for the festive wear, you didn't go to market. You just used some of your old dresses. So you were curtailing your expenditure in this way. You curtailed your expenditure in this way. My weekly visit to mall and cinema hall was a big burden on my pocket, but now I had a limit on it too. फिर आप बोल रहे हो कि मॉल और सिनेमा में भी आपका पैसा खर्च होता था, पर अब आपने उस पे भी लिमिट फिक्स किया. My grandfather came up with a grand offer and gave me a part-time job at his shop. और फिर आप बोल रहे हो कि एक और बढ़िया बात हुई, आपके ग्रैंडफादर ने आपको अपनी शॉप के ऊपर एक पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी ऑफर किया. I took the responsibility honestly and the earning experience further made me realize the value of money. I started behaving miserly and started putting every single coin in my money bank. So when you did all these things, you realize that how important the money is, and you became miser in your behavior, in your spending habit. आप थोड़ा कंजूसी से खर्च करने लगे, और यहाँ तक कि जो भी कॉइन होता था, जो भी सिंगल अर्निंग होती थी, आप उसको अपने मनी बैंक में डालने लगे. Means you started saving wisely. और क्या क्या चीजें आपने अपने ऊपर कौन कौन से restrictions impose किए? So here is a complete detail of all these things. So our third cue is why was it difficult? Everything was quite uncomfortable for me. I had grown up just making demands and getting them fulfilled. आपने बोला कि सब कुछ बहुत अनकंफर्टेबल था आपके लिए, क्योंकि आपने तो जैसे जैसे आप बड़े हुए थे, आपने सिर्फ डिमांड करना और उनको पूरा होते हुए देखना आपने सीखा था. सेविंग वॉज नॉट इन माई ब्लड. सेविंग तो ब्लड में ही नहीं था. एवरी वन वॉज सरप्राइज एट द वे आई वॉज बिहेविंग एंड वॉन्टेड मी टू टेक इट इजी. But I wanted to win over the self-imposed challenge, so I religiously cut off my futile as well as a bit essential spending to meet the challenge. सब कोई हैरान थे, वो चाहते थे कि इतना सीरियसली मत लें अपने चैलेंज को, पर मैं अपने चैलेंज को जीतना चाहता था. और मैंने रिलीजियसली मीन सीरियसली मैंने अपने कुछ जरूरी और कुछ ना जरूरी जो एक्सपेंडिचर्स थे उनको कट ऑफ किया, क्योंकि मैं चैलेंज पूरा करना चाहता था. So difficult tha, you are saying because it was quite uncomfortable for you. And then our last cue is and explain how you felt about it. तो फिर आपको कैसा फील हुआ? Finally, after 3 months, when I checked my pocket, unbelievably, I had more than the saving of 30,000. आप बोल रहे हो कि 3 मंथ्स के बाद जब मैंने सेविंग चेक किए तो विश्वास नहीं हुआ, 30,000 से ज्यादा मेरे पास सेविंग था. It was a big surprise for me. Though I was still very short of money I needed, but the start was incredible. अभी भी जितना पैसा मुझे चाहिए था वो उससे बहुत कम था, पर शुरुआत तो इनक्रेडिबल थी. बहुत बढ़िया शुरुआत थी, अविश्वसनीय, वो भी अनबिलीवेबल शुरुआत थी. The challenge could be met. मुझे लगा कि चैलेंज तो पूरा हो सकता है. I became more prudent in my expenses. और फिर आप बोल रहे हैं कि you became more wise in your expenses. And finally, in 3 more months, I had the sum by which I could buy the phone for me. 3 महीने और के बाद मेरे पास उतना पैसा था जिससे कि मैं फोन खरीद सकता था. So it took you about 3 to 6 months when you could complete the challenge. And the challenge was saving money, and the money with which you wanted to buy a phone. So now we can see some good words, phrases, collocations, synonyms that we have used in this description. And this is making new experiments, putting myself in condition, comfort zone, edgy challenge. Edgy challenge means very, very difficult challenge. Hardly care means I don't bother. Spendthrift nature means one who is very extravagant, who hardly cares for money and believes in spending only. Reasonable and prudent. Prudent means wise. Generous, over generous nature means who is very kind hearted and doesn't mind spending money on others. Festive days, we talk about the festival days. Family and siblings. Siblings are for brothers, sisters. Pointless expenditure means expenditure that is having no sense. Cut off my weekly expenditure. Cut off means to restrict. And got curtailed, that was also restricted. Saving was not in my blood is a beautiful phrase, complete. Win over, to go victorious. सेल्फ इम्पोज चैलेंज, एक चैलेंज जो आपने अपने ऊपर जबरदस्ती डाला था. रिलीजियसली कट ऑफ मीन्स सीरियसली you followed the challenge and curtailed some even important expenditures on you. Futile, that was not very important. Unbelievable means incredible. Incredible is another synonym for unbelievable. So take these beautiful words in your vocab list and make use of it while making practice of this cue card, and the words we know always help us. Also make practice, read. Also I would say that listen to this description again and again and try to get more good words out of it and ideas too. So dear learners, yes, you have to add these words to your vocabulary. So this is done for today. Thank you for watching, and yeah, definitely like the video and share it with your friends. I will see you in the next video with some other topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.